Hi there, my name is Abby and I'm a media assistant at ISS Media and Productions, and today I'm going to guide you on how to export your audio from Adobe Premiere to Adobe Audition. So let's say you have a project with footage, but the audio has too much distracting background noise. Let's check this out here.
For making time to be here today. This plan is going to be successful because
If you haven't done so already, we first need to unlink the audio. Right-click on the clip with the audio you want to manipulate and select Unlink. With the audio now unlinked, let's export it to Adobe Audition. Right-click on the now unlinked audio and select Edit in Adobe Audition. Audition will now launch on its own. So in order to eliminate that background noise, scroll through your audio and find a portion where nobody is speaking, meaning that all you can hear is the background noise. Once found, highlight this portion of the audio clip. Now this doesn't even have to be a large highlighted section, it can even be a small portion. So once you've done this, go to the Effects tab, then Noise Reduction/Restoration, and select Capture Noise Point. Now you can click anywhere on the audio to deselect the highlighted portion. So go back to the same Effects tab, again to Noise Reduction/Restoration, but only select Noise Reduction. Now if you play the audio in Audition, the background noise should be gone. Perfect.
this plan is going to be successful.
To bring the enhanced audio back to Premiere, simply save the Audition file, going to File, Save. Now the improved audio should be back in your original Premiere project.
Making time to be here today. This plan is going